Hey guys, we got another wrap video for you. This time 3 different ways, and we're featuring Izumi today. So if you'd like to see how to get these wraps done, hang around because it's going to be fun. Blue is Miss Izumi's favorite color, so whenever I'm able to find anything blue, I get excited because it will help me get it onto her because she is my tomboy. She is just like her mom. We did not like a lot of fuss growing up, so if it's blue and it's cute, chances are I'm going to be able to get her to wear it. So our first wrap is going to be one for when your hair is on the top of your head in any type of style, especially a nice old style that maybe you want to cover up. This wrap is going to be good. You see I tied it going from the back to the front, so the knot is in the front, and I took both ends, twisted them individually, and I wrung them around the top portion of the hair. So if you ever have a top bun or just your hair still in a pineapple from the night before when you slept, this style is going to be cute for you because it has a knot, and it goes right around the top portion of the hair. Moving on to the second wrap, it's very similar to the wrap I showed you on Aurora's head. It's a little different because this scarf is a little longer and it lets me wrap the way I like to wrap this type of turban style. But this knot, again, it goes to the back of the head and it ties securely back there, but not too tight, never enough to hurt anyone, but just enough to make sure it stays on because no one plays softly just because their hair is done in my household. I wish they would, but yeah. Any hairstyle, anything going on has to be secure with these rough girls, but we love it. I'd rather rough girls than not rough girls, we'll call it that. So we twist both strands together as you saw with this wrap, and we come around the back of the head and we tuck as well. Again, head wraps are simple and easy, they're cute, especially if you find a cute pattern. And it's something that everybody can do because it's really just a lot of tugging and pulling and twisting and pinning. And again, if you know what you want your end product to look like, which is that right there, you can make it look really cute. And the last wrap is very common. Again, it's a knot in the front of the head. This is the style that most people use, most adults, most young people, and it is used so much because it is so cute. Again, we come from the back of the head towards the front and we securely tie our knot in the front of the head this time for our final wrap. You see she does not like anything in her face, as I told you guys before, not just hair, anything. She wants it all pulled back and pulled away. So this wrap works because I have to ask her to hold on for a few seconds, but after that, everything is out of her face and she doesn't have to worry about it. And nothing is a complete science. It's something that you just keep working with. Nothing is going to look exactly the same either time you do it. Every time I do these wraps, they look a little different, and it just depends on whether or not you like how it looks then, because if not, most of these wraps only take about 2 to 3 minutes to do, and that's actually on the long side. So you can just redo them easily, but they work so well and they look so cute for running to the store, things like that. Thanks for watching.